Wow, what are you painting?
Yeah, it's picture mommy.
Very good. Can you paint a flower?
Okay.
What is this?
Oh, it's a heart.
Heart. Cake? What's this? Dapat unicorn to eh. Careful sa painting ah. Hmm?
Orange.
Okay. Oh. Lagay mo na lang dito. Yan. Mahuhulog na naman yun. Flowers yan?
Yeah.
Flowers yan?
Yeah.
Dito mga ilagay para
Green.
It's
Ew.
okay. Ano yan? Oh! Anong klaseng flowers yan?
Super.
Ice cream na lang. Can you draw ice cream? Can you paint ice cream?
So, why make it brown?
Go.
Brown.
We don't have brown. Use green na lang. Ice cream ka. Ice cream. What's that?
It's a green line. Orange.
Okay po. Yung ano niya. Very good ah.
Hi, it's in the sunny.
Okay po. Asan yung ano niya, cup niya? Cup ng ice cream. Ice cream yan. Ice cream yan?
Wait, I'm in my page.
What?
Peace.
Say bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Wait.
Wait daw. Pipaint mo yan? Yung likod niya? Ganda naman ng cake niya.
Mommy, one paint.
Hindi paint ka. Anong ipipaint mo? Tree.
Dog.
Dog. Kala mo naman alam yung dog. Saan yung dog dyan?
Oh.
Careful. Gabi? Asan yung dog dyan?
Oh. It's wet. Match. Mommy, Sabin. Sabin.
Sabin? Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
No, wait.
Subscribers, bye-bye.
Please, no.
Hindi, itong video lang. You can paint pa rin. Say bye-bye to your followers. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.